Assalamualaikum, my name is Amni Afiqah binti RAZI and my metric number is A177901. So in this video, I will be reviewing on my friend's video regarding our topic in the first reaction video, which is about the wildlife animals in Myanmar. So first of all, I would like to review on Muhammad Azim bin Abdul Razak's video. So after watching his video, I do agree with all of his points mentioned in the video, because all of it were also mentioned in the first video that we used to make the first review. So he concludes that the government should make a strict law to avoid these people, which is the people in Mongla, Myanmar, from hunting illegally, because the population keeps on decreasing from day to day. But then again, we have to consider that making a new law is actually not a simple or easy things to do. So it could happen, but first maybe the government should provide more job opportunities for the people in Mongla so that they could stop hunting and start doing a better job or start doing something else than just hunting. Then I do agree with all of his points mentioned, because the people in Mongla uses hunting as the source of their income. So if they do not go for hunting, they will not get money and they cannot afford to buy any food and feed their family, which is why the government should make law and provide the new income so that these people won't have to go for hunting anymore just to get money to buy their family's food. Next, I would like to review on Muhammad Shafiq's video. So in his video, he mentioned that the demand from China to buy exotic and wild animals happens because Chinese people believe that these wild animals are good for their health, and this has made Myanmar people or people in Mongla goes out to hunt for these animals just to get that amount of money that these Chinese people had offered to them. Because basically in Myanmar, hunting is the only or their main source of income. So if they do not go for hunt, they will not get money, and they cannot afford to feed their families. So with no other choice, they would have to agree to get that money. And he also mentions in Myanmar, selling endangered animals is the main business and main income for them. So basically in Myanmar, they're not allowed to plant things or do other jobs, or maybe there's not much of job opportunities, which makes hunting is the only option they have to keep their business going. He mentioned that this has to stop, because if this keeps on happening, it will affect the ecosystem in this world, and this includes the ones in the ocean. At the end of the video, he concludes that we as a human should join more in animal activities, because by doing this, maybe we can reduce the amount of people who wants to go for illegal hunting. Because if there are lesser people taking part in this, maybe that could cause these people with no knowledge or sense to go for illegal hunting and cause more trouble in the future. And we cannot avoid the endangered animals from going extinct. And then he mentions that we need to spread awareness of what would happen or what could happen if an endangered animal goes extinct. So by giving the awareness, by spreading the awareness, we can create a warning, or we can make people realize the importance of these endangered animals in this world. Basically everything in this world, including animal, plants, humans and all, have their own roles or parts in balancing the earth. So if one of us or one of them goes extinct or goes missing, it will somehow affect the entire earth. So to avoid that from happening, we should have the awareness inside of our head, and we should always think of how we can try to reduce these kind of things to make sure that bad things will not happen in the future. So I think that is all for my review on these two videos of my friends regarding wildlife animals video. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.